Portrait and engagement photographers want to know the #1 way to increase wall art sales. I'm going to show you right now, and it has to do with offering multiple piece collections instead of one-offs. And I'll show you how to do it without any extra work. You've become good at selling single pieces, but you want to get better at selling these collages like this. What is the easiest way to get started? So the easiest way to get started is simply this. In Gallery Designer, when you create a new project, or after you've created a project and you're in the design wizard, the easiest thing to do is under design style, go to designs that sell. These are custom designs created with our ambassadors based on normal everyday sized canvases. Choose designs that sell. Some of our ambassadors and the top earners will use the heart function, which you can use the F key, F for favorite, to toggle on that heart, or 5 stars, and not design wall art with the entire collection. That's great for albums, but when you're going through with your clients or you're going through on your own, choosing 5-star images or heart images. And then here we'll choose favorites, and let's go ahead and create a new set of galleries so we can see this, and then click design project, and we open that, and that's it. This one up here, let's go to our rooms and let's drop in a sofa to give it a little bit more space. And then all you need to do is go through the rooms and check them, maybe adjust the cropping a little bit. And then you can also go through and maybe do some swaps. So for example, let's go ahead and on this one, which one are we missing? I think we are missing this one right here. So let's drop that one in there and drop that down, right? So super easy to get started, super easy to, with just one click, start showing collections. And then when you want to show your clients, be sure when you're creating a slideshow that you are adding those wall art slides, right? We want to make sure that you're adding the wall art and you're choosing which galleries you want to show so that in that slideshow, they can see the galleries. If you like these tips, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing them to you because we want you to make at least an extra $50,000 next year with Fundy Designer.